Imagine you walk into a clothing store and see a jacket you really like. You want to ask the price, find your size, and maybe try it on. But what should you say in English?
That is exactly what we are learning today. Useful shopping vocabulary and phrases you can use in real life.
Welcome to English Through Book Ideas. Today, we are learning shopping vocabulary.
Let's begin with some basic words.
The first word is price. The price is the amount of money something costs. For example, what is the price of this shirt?
In everyday conversation, we often say, "How much is this?"
Repeat, how much is this?
And if you are talking about more than one item, say, "How much are these?"
Good. Our next word is cost. We can ask, how much does this cost?
For example, "How much does this bag cost?"
Now let's learn expensive and cheap.
Expensive means something costs a lot of money. Cheap means it does not cost much money.
For example, this watch is too expensive.
Or, "These shoes are quite cheap."
Another very useful word is discount.
A discount means the price has been reduced.
You may see a sign that says 20% discount.
You can ask, "Is there a discount on this item?"
Another common word is sale. If a store has a sale, some products are being sold at lower prices.
You can say, "This jacket is on sale."
Notice the phrase on sale.
Repeat, "This jacket is on sale."
Now, what is a customer?
A customer is a person who buys something from a store.
And a cashier is the person who takes your payment.
A shop assistant, or sales assistant, is someone who helps customers in the store.
Here's a quick practice. What word means a lower price? Customer, discount, or cashier?
The answer is discount.
And what do we call the person who pays for products?
The customer.
Excellent. Before we continue, say these phrases aloud. How much is this? Is this on sale? Is there a discount?
Great job! Now you already know several expressions you can use the next time you go shopping.
Now let's talk about choosing clothes, shoes, and other products.
One of the most important words is size.
You can ask, do you have this in a larger size?
Or, do you have this in a smaller size?
You can also ask for a specific size. For example, do you have this in medium?
Another useful word is color.
You might ask, do you have this in black?
Or, does this come in blue?
That phrase is very useful. Does this come in?
Repeat, does this come in another color?
When buying clothes, you may want to try something on.
Try on means to put on clothes or shoes to see whether they fit.
You can ask, can I try this on?
The shop assistant may say, "Of course, the fitting room is over there."
A fitting room is the small room where customers try on clothes.
Now, let's talk about the word fit.
If clothes are the correct size for your body, they fit.
For example, "These jeans fit perfectly."
If they are too large, you can say they are too loose.
If they are too small or too close to your body, you can say they are too tight.
Let's practice. Imagine you like a red shirt, but you want a blue one. What can you ask?
You can say, "Does this come in blue?"
Now imagine the shirt is too small.
You can ask, "Do you have this in a larger size?"
And if you want to see how the shirt looks on you,
Say, "Can I try this on?"
excellent. Here's another useful phrase. I'm just looking.
A shop assistant may ask, "Can I help you?"
If you do not need help yet, you can politely say, thanks, I'm just looking.
Let's repeat some useful chunks.
Do you have this in medium?
Does this come in another color?
Can I try this on?
It's too tight.
It fits perfectly. Great! These short chunks can make shopping in English much easier.
Now you have chosen what you want to buy. What happens next?
It is time to pay.
The place where you pay is often called the checkout or checkout counter.
The cashier may say, "Are you paying by cash or card?"
Cash means physical money such as notes and coins.
Card means a credit card or debit card.
You can say, I'll pay by card.
Or, "I'll pay in cash."
After you pay, the cashier may give you a receipt.
A receipt is a small paper or digital record showing what you bought and how much you paid.
You can ask, can I have the receipt, please?
Another important shopping word is return.
Return means to take a product back to the store after buying it.
For example, "I'd like to return this shirt."
The store may ask, do you have the receipt?
And you may also hear the word refund.
A refund is money that is given back to you when you return an item.
You can ask, "Can I get a refund?"
Sometimes you do not want your money back. You want a different product instead. That is an exchange.
You can say, "Can I exchange this for a larger size?"
Now, let's do a quick review.
What do we call the paper showing what you bought?
A receipt.
What is the word for getting your money back?
A refund.
What does exchange mean?
It means giving back one product and getting another one.
Excellent!
Here is your speaking challenge. Imagine you bought shoes yesterday, but they are too small. Make 3 English sentences.
You could say, "I'd like to return these shoes. They're too small. Can I exchange them for a larger size?"
Pause the video and say your own version aloud.
Agreed. Speaking aloud helps you remember vocabulary much better than only reading it.
Now let's finish with a complete shopping conversation using the vocabulary we learned.
I'll be the shop assistant.
And I'll be the customer.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure, what size are you looking for?
Medium, please.
Here's a medium jacket.
I like it. How much is it?
It's $60, but it's on sale today. There's a 20% discount.
Oh, great. Does it come in black?
Yes, it does. Here you are.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Okay, I'll be right back.
How does it fit?
It fits quite well, but the sleeves are a little tight. Do you have this in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, we have a large.
Great. I'll try that one.
How is it?
Much better. It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Wonderful. You can pay at the checkout.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please. What is your return policy?
You can return or exchange the jacket within 30 days if you keep the receipt.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Now it's your turn. Try reading the customer's lines out loud, and then switch roles.
Today you learned words and phrases about prices, discounts, sizes, fitting rooms, payments, receipts, returns, refunds, and exchanges.
Your challenge is to use at least 5 of today's phrases in your own imaginary shopping conversation.
Write your conversation, read it aloud, and practice it more than once.
If this lesson helped you, subscribe to English Through Book Ideas for more practical English vocabulary and speaking lessons.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next lesson.